Hello students, in this video we will learn about the basic rules to be followed by every country in determining their local time. So for every country their local time has to be compared with that of the time at prime meridian, that is 0 degrees longitude. The second rule is the time difference should always be at an interval of 30 minutes. That means the time difference could be 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes, 2 hours or 2 hours 30 minutes. It cannot be 1 hour 10 minutes or 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay. So let us take the example of India. Okay. So here you can see India, the 82.5 degrees east longitude, which is considered as the standard meridian for India. So the question is, why not 80 degrees or why not 81 degrees? Here, if you notice in this one, when I take 80 degrees east longitude and to get the time difference, I multiply by 4, that means I get 320 minutes, which is 5 hours and 20 minutes. Similarly, if I take 82 degrees, I'll get 5 hours 28 minutes as a time difference. Whereas, if I get 82.5, that is 82.5 degrees into 4, I get 330 minutes, which is 5 hours and 30 minutes. Therefore, of all these, I can take this as my standard time. Okay. For this, there is a simple rule. There's a simple calculation with which a country can know its exact longitude. Okay, that is, we all know, we have seen this, that is for every 1 hour there is an interval of 15 degree longitudes. Therefore, for every 30 minutes, so we are dividing 15 by 2, that is 7.5 degrees longitudes. Therefore, whenever I divide the longitudes with 7.5, I should not be getting any decimals. So here with 80 degrees, again I am getting a decimal point. So when I divide 7.5 by 82, so again I am getting a decimal point. Whereas when I divide 82.5 with 7.5, I am not getting any decimal point. Hence, this can be considered as a standard time. So like this, the rules have to be followed. So now let us discuss about the time zones. So few countries may have more than one time zone. It depends on their longitudinal extent. Say for example, Russia has almost 10 time zones because it has more longitudinal margins. For countries like India, which have very small longitudinal margins, we follow only one time. Okay. However, it does not depend on the area of the landmass. Say for example, France is very small country compared to Russia, but yet France has almost 13 time zones because France has its territories all across the eastern and western hemisphere. So there are certain other land masses, like one of the example is islands near South America. So like that they have many territorial areas. So France is a country which has more time zones. Then comes US and UK. Both have 12 time zones. Just like France, the US and UK have many territorial bodies. Okay. So in this way, the time zone